Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Chipma News. This is our today article. No works de-notification till next Supreme Court hearing government. The act has certain positive thing. At the same time, we do not want the situation to change drastically that it affect a lot of people. Sanjeev Khanna, Chief Justice of India. This involve a large number of innocent people right to land and property. We will have to take you through the history of the legislation through 100 years. Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India. Appointment will not be made to works body till the case comes up again. Government assure the court any appointment made counter to the assurance may be declared void by the court. Say Solicitor General Center gets 7 days to file response to challenges to Work Amendment Act 2025. Three-judge bench fix next hearing on May 5. Krishna Das Rajgopal, New Delhi. The Supreme Court on Thursday recorded a statement by the Union government. The works, including works by user, whether declared by way of notification or through registration, will de neither be de-notified for suffer any change in character or status until the next date of court hearing. A three-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna further recorded in its order an assurance given by the centre represented by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta that until the next hearing no appointment will be made to the Central Works Council or the Works Board of State or the National Capital Territory of Delhi under the Amendment Section 9 and 14 of the Principal Works Amendment Act 1995. These two provisions were amended through the Works Amendment Act 2025 to allow the inclusion of non-Muslim in this administrative body. The centre said any appointment, if made counter to the assurance, may be declared void by the court. The bench fixed the next hearing on May 5 at 2 p.m. Certain positive. Mr. Mehta successfully urged the court to grant him 7 days to file a response covering the entire gamut of 100 years of legislation on the issue and numerous representations received from across the country which lead to the framing of the provisions of the act. Any interim order of stay of the act directly and indirectly or even partially at this preliminary stage would not only be a rare measure but also a serious and hard step taken by the court without availing of any complete assistance, Mr. Mehta said. The CGI agreed that the situation regarding works had infirmities and the 2025 Act did not certain positive thing, but at the same time we do not want the situation to change drastically that it affects a lot of people, Chief Justice Khanna explained. As the Solicitor General appearing for the Union of India, I am saying that we as a government and as a parliament are answerable to the people. We receive lakhs and lakhs of representation which resulted in the making of this provision. For example, villages are taken as works, private property of individual are taken as works. This is a considered piece of legislation. This involves a large number of innocent people right to land and property. We will have to take you through the history of the legislation through 100 years, Mr. Mehta said, urging court against passing an interim order. The court had on Wednesday refused a request from the petitioner's side for a complete stay of the act. The top judge pointed out that the court, while ruling over an interim order on Wednesday, had no thought of intervening in a particular amendment requiring a person to have been a practicing Muslim for the 5 years prior to dedicating his property as works. Thumb rule. Any you are right, we do not stay legislation at the preliminary stage that is the thumb rule. At the same time, there is also a thumb rule that normally when a matter is pending before this court, the situation as is prevailing today should continue so as not to affect the rights of the parties. We do not want the position to be changed, Chief Justice Khanna pointed out. Mr. Mehta said the concerns of the government was that the court should not be blamed for judicial overreach. There is no question of overreach. Parliament legislates, the executive implements, and the judiciary adjudicates. It is clear, Chief Justice corrected the nation. Senior advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, for one of the response supporting the legislation, said Parliament did nothing but legislate the will of the people. Mr. Mehta assured the court nothing will happen even if the governments want to until the next hearing. Know your English from the archive. K. Subramanian as Supendra. What does long in tooth mean? It means going or old. For example, many of my uncle and aunts are long in the tooth. That's not surprising. After all, you yourself are long in tooth, are not you? Haha, that's good one. But the reason I ask about this expression is because Sujata used in this morning. She said that our new principal was long in the tooth, and I did not know what she meant. You should have asked her then, way, so she would have told me how stupid I was, and then I get the point. What is strange that you should ask me about this expression because I was reading about it only this morning. Really? Tell me then, how did these expressions came into being? Well, the tooth that is referred to is that of a horse. A horse, yes, you see, when a horse get old, its gums reset, and when that happens, its teeth look long. So the older a horse is, the longer its teeth. Exactly. In fact, you tell the age of horse by looking at its teeth. The longer the teeth, the older it is. Now this expression is being used with humans as well. That's interesting. Well, our gums reset as we get older. What does reset mean exactly? When you saying something is resetting, it is moving further away into the distance. For example, I can say I saw the tail lights of the car receding into the distance. How about a sentence that we hear on the news very often? The flood water are receding. That's very good example. The word reset, by the way, has another meaning. What is it? When you say that a man's hairline is receding, what you mean is that he is steering to go bald by losing hair at the front of his head. For example, my uncle has a receding hairline. Forget your uncle. What about you? Your hair is receding as well. First you tell me I am long in the tooth, and now you tell me my hairline is receding. Any other result? Insert. Now I don't drinking, so two is enough for a day, don't you think? Get lost, will you? Published in the Hindu on March 9, 1996. This is our today quiz. Something events occurred on April 18. Here is a quiz on observation, birthday, and everything else that happened on the day. Abhinay K made this quiz. Zimbabwe gained independence from British colonial rule official on this day. Which year did the country gain independence, and who was the first prime minister of independent Zimbabwe? Question number 2. A major earthquake shook this city on April 18, 1906, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. Field study of the earthquake lead to the development of the elastic rebound theory. Where did the earthquake occur? What was its magnitude, and who developed the theory? Question number 3. World Heritage Day is celebrated every year on April 18. What is the theme of the year, and how many sites from India are on the World Heritage list? Question number 4. A former late night television host who now hosts a podcast show celebrating his 60 62 birthday today, known for his slapstick and avocado self deprecating humor. He also hosted a big award program recently, Identity the Person. Question number dubbed then as the royal wedding of the century. This American film actor married the Prince of Monaco on this day in 1956. The ceremony was television and attracted over 30 million viewers. Name the actor. Visual question. This player considered one of the great in the sport. Play his last NHL game on this day in 1999. Identify the player and name the team he played for. Question and answer to the previous day. Daily quiz. Name the stylish narration attribute to Marcuse. Answer magical realism. Name the Peruvian author who died this week. Mario Vargas Llosa. The significance of a universal with respect to Marcuse. Answer a newspaper for which he was named the birthday of Marcuse and Aracataca, Colombia. Name the autobiography of the Marcuse living to tell the tale. Visual name the novel. Answer 100 Year of Solitude. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching me tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.